Good morning, student. As we all know that we are doing statistics chapter. Earlier we have done till question number 4 of exercise 14.2. Now we will start exercise 14.2, question number 5. So, student, now question number 5 is like this. It is given in your book. Exercise 4.14.2. This is given, students. So, what we have to do first? In question number 5, it is given that data is given in your book. You can see in your book also. So a study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is a gas, SO2, in the air in a part per million, ppm. ppm is part per million. It is given of a certain city. The data obtained for 30 days it as follows. For the 30 days it has given. So students, what we have to make? We have to make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data which with class intervals as 0.002, 0.04, 0.04 to 0.08 and so on. So students, what we have to make? We have to make the table first. So first one is we have to make the table. It is first part it is given as concentration of sulfur dioxide. It is given that we can say concentration of sulfur dioxide. I am writing SO2, and then after we will write tally marks. And what we have to observe that it is given that sulfur dioxide in the air per million for the 30 days. So number of days means we can say it frequency also. Frequency. Now we have to make the table. We will make the table like this. So first one, it is given that 0.00 to 0.04. First question is that first part, make a group frequency distribution table for 0.00 and 0.04. So the gap is there, 0.00 and 0.04. So students, first we will check that what is the last value, what is the greatest value here. So greatest value, I think it is coming between 0.20 is also there, 0.22 is also there, and then 0.22 there is nothing is there. So we can say that 0.24 is the last, because the gap is between 0.04. So we can say it 4 6 are 24. So we can make it like this: 0.04 to 0.08, 0.082, 0.12, 0.122, 0.16, 0.162, 0.20 and 0.20 to 0.24. So 0.24 will be the last, because 0.22 it is given, I think, the last value. Now we will check it. Now again 0.00 to 0.04, it means it will not include 0.04. So again we will count with the help of book, so you can check it in your book also. So how many are there? 0.03, first one is there, first one. 0.02 is also there, 2, and 0.01 is also there. So how many numbers are there? And one more 0.01 is there. So how many numbers are there, student? 4. So we can make it like this: 1 2 3 4. So the number of days is 4. Again 0.04 to 0.08, I am counting it here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 are there. So we can do it like this: 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. 9 means 9, we will count it like this. Again the next number is 0.08 to 0.12. So 0.08 to 0.12, again we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 8 are there, I think. No, one more is there, 9. So again numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4, 9 are there. Now 0.12 to 0.16. 0.12 to 0.16, we will count it like this: 0.12 to 0.16. It means 0.16 will not included here. So again 1, 2 are there. So we can do it like this 2. Now 0.16 to 0.20. 0.16 again we will count it 1, 2, 3 and 4. Student, you can check it in your book also. 0.16 to 0.20 and the last one is 0.20 to 0.24. So how many are there? 1 and 0.22 is there. So here these are 2. So again we can check the answer by totaling it. Total 9, 4, 13, 13 and 9, 22, 22 and 2, 24 and 6, 30. So it is given that 30 are there. 30 is given that the data obtained for 30 days it as follows. So it is coming right. So our answer maybe it is correct. So students, you can check it also. And what we have to find for how many days. Second part is, this was the first part. Second part is for, okay, I am writing it here. Second is here that for how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 parts. More than 0.11 part means here it is more than 0.11. It will also include it there. So more than 0.11 we have to make it. Means more than 0.11 means 12 will not include it there. I have told you that maximum is 0.12. So 0.11 will be the last. So after this 3 are there. So we will add these 3. What we will get? 2 plus 4 plus 2. 2 and 4, 6. 6 and 2, 8. So we can say that second answer is 8. 8 is the, for how many days the concentration of sulfur dioxide was more than 0.11. So how many days are there? 8 days. So you can do it like this. So students, this question is done. Now pause the video and note it down. Now students, we will do question number 6. Question number 6 is that 3 coins were tossed 30 times. 30 times it is given total simultaneously. Each time the number of heads occurring was noted down as follows. Each time of number of heads occurring. It means we will write it here, number of heads. It is coming only number of heads. And then again tally mark. And we have to find the 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of heads occurring was noted down as follows. Prepare a distribution table. So it is not given number of days, number of like this. So we can say that frequency is here. Three coins were tossed. Prepare a frequency distribution table for the data given below. So students, first we will check which type of numbers are there. Means it will make like this grouped frequency or a single frequency. We can say it like this. Only the numbers are here. It is given that 0, 1, 2, 3. You can see in your book also. So the numbers are here only when the number of heads is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. Only this much is given. So again we will make the table. So how many zeros are here? We will count it first. First 0 is here, second, third and fourth, fifth and sixth. 6 zeros are here. So students, I am writing 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 6. How many ones are here? So we will count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 numbers are here. So we will count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means the number of ones are one head are 10. Again, next is how many twos are there? 2 we have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You have to count it yourself, students, in your book also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. And how many threes are there? 3, check it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 threes are there. So we can do it like this. 5 threes are there. So now check the answer. Total is equal to 10 and 6 16, 10 and 6 is 16, and 9 25, 25 and 5 is 30. So total is frequency because the coin is tossed 30 times. So it is coming right. So what we have to find in this question, prepare a frequency distribution table for the given data. Only we have to make the table. So this is the table, students. Now we will do the next question, question number 7. The value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. 50 decimal places तक pi की value आपको दी हुई है. Make a frequency distribution of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. And what are the most and the least frequently occurring digits. So we have to make a table like this. Now pause the video and note it down. After this we will do the next question. Now students, we will start question number 7. Question number 7 is that it is given the value of pi. Pi, it is given that pi is equal to 3.1415926 up to 50 decimal places it is given. So it is given in your book, so you can count it by there. So I am counting it from my book also. So first, the value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. Make a frequency distribution of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. Means we have to make digit and we have to count it, students, after decimal place. It is written, make a frequency distribution of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. Means we will not include 3 is there because 3.14 is given. After the point we have to take the values of pi. So digits, we can write it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 digits are there, and then tally marks. Again tables are same. Frequency, we can say that we have to find the frequency. Now 0 digit, how many times 0 are coming, we have to include it. 0 is not there, I think 0 are there. 1 and 2 zeros are there. So student, 2. How many ones are there? Ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is easy to count because it is given in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are also coming 5. So we can write it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again now the next number is 3. So we have to count number 3. 3 is there. How many times 3 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 3s are also there. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So 8 are there. 3 8s are there. 8 3s are there. And 4. How many 4s are there? We have to count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are very less. 4 are coming 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write it 4. How many times 5 are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 are also coming 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 are coming. 4 and 5 are coming. 5. Similarly 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4. But 6 are coming 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 7. How many 7 are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4, 7 are also there. 8. How many 8s are coming here? So we have to write it here. How many 8s are coming? 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 8s are coming. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 8s are coming. We have done it. This is the 4, 5 for 5 and this is for 6. This is for 7. This is for 0. This is for 1. This is for 2. So you can check it also. What are the values are coming like this. The 8 are coming 5. So 9. How many 9s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 are coming 8 times. So I am writing 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 that are coming 8 times. So student, don't make it like this. I have made it like this because आप लोगों को समझाने के लिए, but you have to do it in your copy. Then you can do in one line like this, second line like this, third is this. Don't make it like this. So now the total is, we can calculate total. Total should be 50. Total आपका 50 होना चाहिए. Again 5 to 7, 7 and 5 12, 12 and 8 20, 20 and 4 24, and 5 29, 4 33, 33 and 4 37, 37 and 5 37 and 5 42, 42 plus 8, that is, it is 8, so it is coming 50. So our answer is maybe correct. You can check it yourself also. Now how many, what we have to find, what are the most and the least frequency occurring digits. What is the most, जो सबसे ज़्यादा बार आई है, and least occurring digits. Most, how many are coming most? Most means जो सबसे ज़्यादा बार आई है. We have to calculate it like this. सबसे ज़्यादा बार देखिए इसमें क्या है, one number is 8, one is 8. So we can say it, this is the value of 3. So 3 and 9 are coming most. So we can say that students, 3 and 9 are coming most. And what we have to find, what are the most and the least frequency occurring. And the least frequency occurring is, least we have to check it, which number is least, 2. So we can see that 0 is coming least. So 3 and 9 are coming most because these two digits are coming 8 times and 0 is coming only 2 times. So this is the least one. So students, this we have done question number 7. So pause the video and note it down, this question. Now students, we are doing question number 8. Question number 8 is like this. Question number 8, it is given that 30 children were asked about the number of hours. 30 children were asked about the number of hours they watched a TV program in the previous week. The results were found as follows. It is given in the tabular form. So first we have to make the frequency distribution table, and in this frequency distribution table it is given that in your question, that first part you can see in your book, taking class width 5 and one of the class interval as 5 to 10. So first we will make the table. So number of hours, telemarks, and number of students. So then number of hours means we have to take the group of 0 to 5. So first we will take 0 to 5, and then last we will check the maximum value. What is the maximum value is coming here? It is 17 is also coming there. So we can say that 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and 15 to 20. So telemarks again 0 to 5 means 5 will not include it there. So 0 to 5 means how many are there? We will count it again in my book also. In your book also you can see it there, and you can check it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 0 to 5 are coming 10. So again we will make it like this. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, these are coming 10. Now 5 to 10, how many are there? 5 to 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and one more is there, 13. So 13 are coming in between 5 to 10. 5, 10, and these are coming 13. And now 10 to 15. 10 to 15 means 10 to 14 means 14 will come, 15 will not come is there. 10 to 15 are 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 are coming between 10 to 15, 5, and 15 to 20. How many are there? 15 to 20, there are I think less, 1 and 2. 15 to 20 means one is 15 is there and one is 17 is there. So these are coming 2. This is the table. Now students, we can check it. Total is equal to 13 and 10 23, 23 and 5 28 and 2 30. These are coming 30 students. So students, what we have to find in this question, how many children watch television for 15 or more hours a week? How many children watch television 15 or more hours? So 15 or more hour is, because this is the I think second question. 15 or more hour means students, 15 or more hour means how many students are there? 15 or more hour. 15 and more hour, how many students are there? 2, because 15 will be included there and more hour is 15 to 20. So we can say that how many students are there? 2 students. 2 students watch television 15 or more hour. So, and the question number 9 is the last question. You can do it yourself. So thank you for watching this video. Now we will do next exercise in our next video.